Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
beIN Sports have launched a brand new, free streaming channel on Roku this week that provides sports fans with access to select games without requiring any authentication. beIN Sports Extra will be broadly available free on various additional multi-platform launches in the future. 21 November 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can watch beIN Sports on Roku with one of these streaming services, Fubo TV or Sling TV. Just open up the Roku channel store, then find the Sling TV or Fubo TV app, download it, and enjoy. You can also download beIN Sports Connect from the Roku channel store. 1 January 2021.
Take our lead.
Please follow the steps below. Download and install the beIN Sports Connect app on Android TV. Open your Android TV apps and search beIN Sports Connect APAC. Or go to Sports to look for beIN Sports Connect APAC. You can now stream the content in the app on Android TV. Have more questions? Submit a request.
Take our lead.
You can watch beIN Sports on Amazon Fire TV with one of these streaming services, Fubo TV or Sling TV. You can watch beIN Sports on Roku with one of these streaming services, Fubo TV or Sling TV. You can watch beIN Sports on Apple TV with one of these streaming services, Fubo TV or Sling TV. The 1st of January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.